Okay, today is Tuesday. Actually, it's Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. And Gordon and I just loaded up the Toyota. We've had Amazon packages and different vendors sending us supplies and products to upgrade the boat and outfit it the way we want it. Landing on the porch for the past couple days. We got them all unpacked and loaded in the back of the Toyota. We're driving up to Chicago tonight. Spend a night in the hotel. Tomorrow, Epiphany splashes. The previous owner's going to come down and splash it with us. Help us de-winterize it. Rig all the sails. And Friday, he is gracious enough to take us out on the lake for a sea trial and show us all the tricks that the boat has taught him and he's taught the boat in the 22 years of his ownership. We're looking forward to it. Not a lot of room left in the back of the Toyota. Peanut butter, and oatmeal, and gas cans, outboard motors, all kinds of electronics and supplies to upgrade the boat the way we want it. Still got more coming. Picking up a radar and a chart plotter in Chicago. So after we sail it Friday, we'll go around and moor it up dockside at a marina and start installing new electronics. So wish us luck. It's going to be a great trip. We're going to learn about our yacht intimately and going to have a glorious weekend. Talk at you later.